Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix connected to Rockstar Game Services stuck here. So first what I suggest to do here is to close it, make sure your GTA 5 for example is completely stopped. Then right click on the GTA 5, then go to install files and verify integrity of the game files and wait until it's done. And if this do not work, then go to search and then look for Windows Security. And wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. Then you need to go to protection history, and on protection history just expand few tasks. As you can see here, my firewall is blocking launcher, so I just need to go to allow this device and then check other tasks here. Maybe other things also is blocking your launcher. As you can see here, Rockstar Games launcher, so probably that's why the game is not running. Another thing that you need to do here is to open up a OneDrive, because for a lot of people it fixed this problem. So what you need to do here is to go to OneDrive and open this app here, okay, and complete the setup. And if for some reason you don't have a OneDrive, what I suggest you to do here is to go to a browser and then just need to write OneDrive download and download and install OneDrive to your computer, and then log in and sign up. And after you set up a OneDrive, the game should be loading. As you can see now, I'm getting a cloud save, so enable cloud saves or dismiss it, it's up to you. And let's wait for a couple of seconds here and the game should run.